What's going on, everybody? I am back with another video. You guys seen the title, seen the thumbnail, seen the description maybe. I don't know. If you did, then you know what's going on. But I am sitting in my 2020 Chevy Camaro 2Ss, and you guys know there is something going on with the rear view mirror right here. So obviously it's not working. There's something going on. It usually gives me a black screen, blue screen. Actually, I'm gonna try and start my car up and see if it does it. Let's see. But regardless, you know what? I will actually put a picture in the video to show you guys what it looks like with that blue screen, black screen. But it's not doing anything right now. I took it up to Holt Chevrolet 2 days ago. They gave me a rental. I just picked it up and they just told me that it's, you know, bad wiring. I just got a bad camera from GM. It happens. I'm not mad. You know, nothing Holt Chevrolet did. They're actually really cool people up there. Honestly, the best customer service I've ever had. Hands down, service department, sales, wherever. So if you guys are actually looking for a car, check them out. I will put their name actually in this video so you guys can look on their website and do whatever. But yeah, nothing they did wrong. So it happens. I'm not mad, but I just want to make you guys aware of what's going on. If you guys have a Camaro or you're looking to get one, just keep an eye out. That's all. So they're ordering me a new part, new camera, and it should be here about 2 to 3 weeks. So whenever it comes in, I will just have to take it back up there and they will install it, then I'll be on my way. But yeah, so that's pretty much the point of this video. I will put those pictures in here. Am I mad? Again, no. I still love the hell out this car. Worth every penny. I'm not going to talk down on Camaros. Like, stuff happens all the time, so it is what it is. But Holt Chevrolet is taking care of me. And but yeah, that's all I got, man. I'm gonna give you guys the good, the bad, the ugly of this car, man. Whatever happens, I'm going to show you guys. You know, I'm not going to just show you guys the great things about it. I'm gonna show you guys the bad things about it. So with that being said, that's honestly all I got. I will probably post another video when the new camera is on, whatever, and just take it from there. But that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Feel free to ask any questions, comment, share my video, because I think nobody's ever seen this before. Although it is in the owner's manual that this could be an issue, I read it in there and it said just to take it to the dealership. But you know, the whole Chevrolet said they never seen this on a 2020, so it's actually the first time they're actually dealing with this. So, but yeah, that's all I got. Feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep following me on this journey, man. I'm really excited to just keep posting videos and show you guys everything about Camaros. I know there's not a lot of people out there with Camaros vlogging, whatever. More so people on Challengers, Hellcats, Scat Packs, I guess a couple. I don't really see people with Ford Mustang GTs vlogging, but I do see people with Shelbys and stuff like that. But I'm just honestly, I'm glad that I'm able to share my experience with you guys so far. So, but I got a lot of videos coming, so just stay tuned. And that's all I got for you guys. So I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna stop talking. I've been ranting. I'm done. I'm hungry. I just got off work. So that's it, man. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Actually, come on, focus. Actually, real quick, I just want to show you guys what the camera actually looks like, because it is not this one. It's not that one right there. It is another camera that's actually on top of the Camaro. So let me get out real quick and let me show you guys that. So 1 second, let me get out of here. All right, there it is, man. That's the camera right there. So yeah, I don't know what's going on with this thing, but it's actually kind of loose too. So, but that's the camera right there. And look at the little stickers, little bubbles, but it's all good. I'm not worried about that. But all right, man, I'll catch you on the next one. See y'all.